About to make a quick tea. Instead of buying all this stuff out, I made my own. So right now, I just got some ginger wrapped up in some saran and just hitting it with a hammer. Just make it simple for myself. You can grind it up. You can do whatever you want to do with it. It's up to you. But this is easier for me. Instead of cutting it up, just banging it down. Tea is like a lemonade, but it's a lot of ginger because I love a lot of ginger in my stuff. Just gonna open it up. Get all that ginger out of there. Now, I have a taste for some cloves. Put some quick cloves in there. Not a lot, just some. Don't want it over. Cloves are strong. Lemon stick. 1. Lavender. Whatever I want to put in there. Smells so good. Oh, and I meant to tell you, I also have a lemon in here. I'm gonna pull it out. I just cut it up with the skin on, however way you want to cut it up. I'm gonna add some erythritol in here, which is an adaptogen. It's something like ginseng. Very good for strengthening the body. So I'm gonna add that in here. All right, couple tablespoons. I love everything I do. I just love potency. That's just how I'm wired. Elderberry. No measurements, it's what you want. How do you want your stuff to taste? I think they call it, or hibiscus. I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of that in there. So, and pour some water in here and fill it on up to the desired amount. And I'm gonna let this simmer on low for some hours. So everything can be just released. Have it. Elderberry, hibiscus, lavender, erythritol, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, lemon, and that's a wrap. That's it. That's what's in my tea this time around. It always seems to differ. And just turn it on and get it come into a simmer. You let it come to a boil first and then turn it down for a simmer.